guys, welcome back to the Mixing It with Chris channel. Today we will be reviewing the Dirt Rocket MX 350 dirt bike by the Razor Company. This baby can go up to 14 miles per hour, has 30 minutes of battery lifetime, and 24 volts of electricity. And also there's stickers that you can use to customize your bike if you don't like the color black. And this also has a control feature with a fast and slow version. The slow version is for the less experienced, and the fast version is for the people who have a need for speed. Right here, it says that this bike can go up to 10 miles per hour on the slow mode, but the fast mode is 14. Duly note, if you want to get this for your child, then the decision should be based off of maturity, ability to follow rules, and skill. The weight class for this bike is 140 pounds and for ages 8 and up. Time to give you my review. Cut to future CJ. I just want to show you how you're going to start. Instead of just going on and then putting it on. Here, there we go. This is what you want to do. You want to push your leg. So you already got momentum going. Then you want to put your leg up here and
watch it stay right here.
as a wise man said, put the pedal to the metal.